Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this device. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Watch, or rather Huawei Health application, my bad. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Huawei Health application on our phone. In the application, we can tap on Devices icon, select our Huawei Watch GT Runner from the list of devices, and here scroll down, find the App Gallery button and tap on it. And right here you should see the list of applications you can install on your watch. A quick disclaimer: if you want to install the applications on your watch needs to be up to date. So make sure that you updated your watch to the latest update, and then you will be able to install the applications. Okay, now let's find the application we want to install. For example, maybe calculator. Next to it we have the install button, and we can tap on the install button to install the app. And after the application is done installing, it will say installed. You can also tap on the applications to get the information about them. So if you tap, for example, on the, for example, this one, you will open the app window, the information about it, and you have the intro, details, screenshots from the application, and you can also tap on install button to install it, of course. Okay, once the applications are done installing, you can simply close the app. And now we can wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the home button, and then we can press the home button again to open the menu. And in this menu, as you can see, we have the applications. We have the calculator and the calorie counter. We can tap on them to open them like this. Okay, and once you're done installing the applications, you can also manage them. And to do it, you can tap on Manager right here, and then tap on Installation Manager. And right here we have the list of applications we installed on our watch. Okay, and that's how you install the applications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.